In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PostEx with Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or just starting out, integrating a reliable logistics service like PostEx into your Shopify store can significantly streamline your order fulfillment process and enhance customer satisfaction. Now, let's dive right into the steps to get you set up smoothly and efficiently. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar, or by simply searching for Shopify App Store on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the App Store homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in PostEx. This search will bring up a list of matching apps, among which you'll see PostEx as one of the top results. Upon locating the PostEx app, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the app's dedicated page where you'll find more detailed information such as its functionality, user reviews, and additional specifics about what the app can do to aid your business. Take a moment to browse through these details. Understanding the app you're about to install is crucial, not only for compatibility, but also for maximizing its usage. Once you're ready, you'll find an Install button on this page, typically near the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be guided through a straightforward installation process. Shopify will prompt you to authorize the installation, confirming that you're aware of the permissions the app requires to function effectively. This is a standard procedure ensuring your store's security remains uncompromised. After confirming your authorization, the next step involves connecting your PostEx merchant account. If you don't already have a PostEx account, you'll be prompted to create one. Follow the instructions provided by PostEx to either sign up or log in. It's worth mentioning that registering an account with PostEx might require some specific business information, so have that ready beforehand. Once logged in, authorize the connection between your Shopify store and your PostEx account. This moment marks the beginning of a seamless integration between your Shopify platform and PostEx services. With this integration, your order shipment processing is now set to be more efficient, leveraging PostEx's logistics capabilities directly from your Shopify dashboard. This concludes our integration process. As we wrap up, remember to regularly check for updates and new features on both Shopify and PostEx to ensure you're making the most of the services available to you. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to explore our other tutorials for more insight into optimizing your e-commerce operations.